Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and nothing here should be considered financial advice. Always do your own research and understand the risks before investing.
Yeah, hello and welcome back to another Bitcoin update. So, like we've been talking about since last video, we are assuming that this fourth wave did indeed top on the 14th of January. As of right now, we have broken this swing low that we were talking about from last video. So that is another confirmation that this fourth wave did indeed top over here, as well as breaking the micro support around this area as well. So far we only have a 3-wave move down, so it is still possible, but it's not the main scenario that I am tracking, but it's still possible that we do get that fourth wave extension move up as well. But it, as of right now, it is not as probable as this fifth wave to the downside. Since the high of October 6th, essentially we're tracking a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave move down, and assuming that this fourth wave did top at this level, then we would be looking for a fifth wave support zone between 69,379 to 76,000. So it is totally possible to break the support, but as long as we don't have a larger break or we fall again, then this fifth wave support zone can stay alive. If we have a little dip below and then go back into it, well, then that's totally cool as well. We just don't want a decisive break below this support zone. As long as we can hold this fifth wave support zone, then we would be looking for a larger rally, which is what I guess some people would call a relief rally for Bitcoin. If we just look at some of these past cycles, assuming for those of you that go off the 4-year cycle, this is what some people would consider a larger degree relief rally. So that is something, or what could be similar to this next move if we hold support for the fifth wave. It's definitely possible that we can go to new all-time highs, but as of right now, after this, if we do find support for this fifth wave, then we would be looking at a larger degree relief rally, which is what we kind of seen in the past cycles, and then rejected from resistance where we had lower for a possible bear market low. Now, it's really early to tell where all of this could be going, whether or not we hold support and it's a all-time high rally, or it's just a choppy relief rally before we head lower, or whether we have a decisive break below support and we are in a more bearish scenario. As of right now, we haven't even entered the support zone yet, so it's too early to tell that. We're just kind of going based off of a scenario that seems like speculation, like it is playing out. So with this A wave down, B wave bounce, and a C wave down into the support zone, I am leaving this possible fourth wave extension just because we have only had a 3-wave move down so far. Until we get a 4 and a 5-wave move down, then this fourth wave can stay probable as well. And another scenario that could also be happening is we could have already had this fifth wave bottom back here possibly, and we could find support somewhere within the 80s for Bitcoin, and we could start that larger degree relief rally. That's another scenario, but it is not a probable one until I see a support zone being held and swing highs being broken. But as of right now, we will be tracking this fifth wave to the downside as a A, B, C wave down. And once we have entered this support zone, we can look for 5 waves move ups, and we can look for break of swing highs to indicate that a possible larger degree rally, whether it's an all-time high rally or a relief rally, could be playing out, unless we of course break below this larger degree support zone. So as of right now, the price remains down until we break swing highs, then it's just kind of what we've been talking about, an ABC to the downside for this fifth wave support zone. So yeah, that's pretty much everything for this. These are supports and these are our scenarios that we are tracking. As of right now, we will be looking for this fifth wave to the downside. Of course, it's all speculation, but we will just have to wait and see what the market wants to do. If the market is bullish and it starts to break some of these swing highs, well, it's likely that this possible wave 4 extension could be playing out, or a larger degree relief rally. But as of right now, this fifth wave to the downside, speculative, it seems like the most likely scenario that could be playing out. So yeah, that's pretty much everything for this video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.